Welcome back guys, Cryptofly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Polkadot. Just double check on a daily time frame what's going on and what a potential we can see for this token in spring 2025. Let's dive in. For everyone who skipped the previous video for Polkadot, my take for end of cycle for this token, it's conservative. Price target is $35.39, so around $40. And if you believe in new all-time high for Polkadot, it's around $80. I don't believe in $100 or so for Polkadot. With updates, without updates, with upgrades, without upgrades, guys, absolutely it doesn't matter. So it's all about a plan of market makers, and what they got for this token. There's no technology. Just simple example. When the Sol pump it just because of hype of meme tokens, people say, oh, Solana is super attached token, right? So we pump it because of technology. If the Polkadot going down, everybody's saying, oh, it's a bad technology and all of that stuff. Imagine the situation if tomorrow the devs create the platform for Polkadot meme tokens. The DOT token will pump because to trade meme tokens on the Polkadot, people need to buy the DOT token. They generate the fee, they burn some token, blah, 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 all this stuff. And everybody will say, wow, Polkadot is great. It's crazy technology. It's not all about the technology or so. We are here for the money. So technically, guys, my take for global targets, I explained it you in all my previous videos. I want to show you the daily time frame. So here, we are still in the accumulation zone, but I don't like one moment. We can drop to $2.96 and hold the line around here. Why exactly this level? Because it's a 27 level, exactly level. And I don't like when we leave one liquidity pool, second one, third, this one, four, five liquidity pools, we'll leave it. If we not drop now to that liquidity pool in zone 27, zone 28, we'll recover back and go into new all-time high. Maybe, if the Polkadot will be still exist. So just in case. So never say never. So this is a liquidity pool. We hold the line. The big mistake of traders, they think as more we test some level, it becomes stronger. No, guys, it's become weaker. Because on the second test, on the third test, it's not enough money to buy every single dump. Bullish targets, I believe, we will see the altcoin season. I believe Polkadot will go higher. That's why maybe not so crazy pump like the previous one, but yes, at least $30, $40, it's more than real to see for Polkadot. So with this sweep or without, anyway, we're gonna bounce. Like speculation, guys, you can try open trade with a second leverage, third leverage, for example, at $3 round number. Imagine the amount of limit orders at $3 now. And we can bounce at least here to $9, let's say. With second leverage, this can be 400%. I can say the second leverage is like a safe haven, right? So local targets on a daily. This is accumulation, pump. Now we're just in the middle. So technically on a daily time frame, there is no crazy data, even on the daily time frame for pump. So this is accumulation, this is accumulation, pump, distribution. Now no data for accumulation or distribution. I don't like to trade a situation like this one, just to be honest. So I skip the Polkadot now for trades. Money power, market mode. Step by step, yes, some money inflow into a Polkadot. Weekly time frame is kind of weird, but here money inflow, pump, money outflow, drop. The same drop like it was here, but no money inflow. For me, all of that situation now around the altcoins so weird. Guys, absolutely weird situation. I don't know how and where all of that altcoins will stop. Looks like institutional just understands all of that alts is just useless and stop trade it, stop invest it, stop use even the market makers for the trades. Weekly, sell. All of this time period, buyback, pump, sell, no buyback. So identical levels, but absolutely different picture on indicators, guys. So and indicators never lie. There is no emotion, nothing. They just show you the data. So at least what is one good signal to buy, but it's on a daily, you know, it's for swing trades, not for investment. Sell, drop, here's a buy. So technically, I don't see too much positive case scenario for Polkadot. Of course, global targets, I think, yes, the Polkadot will reach the main targets, but the question when? When? How long do we need? We need 4 months or 2 years if the Polkadot will be still exist. Fundamental value of this token is $3.56 on a daily. Take profit, so sooner or later we will test the take profit, $9.49. 12 time frame here. What I would like to see, I would like to see just a test of the buy line, $4.77. So let's add alert to this target. This one, buy line, and after that bounce. Because if not, yes, the road will be open to $3.04 different value and even lower. Weekly time frame, we already tested 1, 2, a lot of times here we tested the buy line. But unfortunately, yes, we can drop just to sweep liquidity because they can. And if they can, they do. Just if you want to accumulate, you can accumulate now. With 100% pump profit, you withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens. Pretty safety strategy. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think now locally for DOT to see. If you would like to trade with my custom maker set, write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.